So the yacht club in Pentwater has been a staple in the community for decades.
There was an old warehouse on this property. People that founded the club were able to acquire it, and it's been our home since 1935. We've had a lot of high water events, we've had building deterioration, and it became pretty clear that it was time to either refurbish the building or tear down and build new.
So the old club had been around for 3-4 generations, and so we tried to basically create a new club that felt like home, more or less. So we wanted to make a cozy vibe with the exterior design of the building just by using the AZEK products with, some of the bevels, some of the trim work that we have here, just to, maintain that weather tightness and that kind of cozy vibe that really, many of the generations have grown accustomed to over time.
We wanted to have a durable product. We didn't want to have a product that we're going to be chasing around maintenance-wise for a long time.
Again, designing on the lake and designing with the elements, we really needed something that could stand for 30, 40 years, multiple generations. That was why we chose to go with AZEK for all of the exterior cladding and TimberTech for the decking as well. It was all AZEK, so it's all one seamless product now that you have in the exterior envelope that just makes it so easy for maintenance for the club for future generations to come.
And every time I've been with somebody else on a boat, they say, wow, does the club look great? And it looks so much like the old one, and it's the first thing you see when you come down the channel. So it's been a huge success. And all of the AZEK product is a part of it. It basically satisfied all of our, what I would call critical to quality characteristics. It gave us the cottagey feel that we had in the exterior of our other club, yet it gave us the confidence in the durability that it's going to be here for a long, long time.